My friend's cats are literally fucking.
You know what Langley expects.
Steal the cat,
Get it
you
done.
won't.
One day I
Homie's a
started my
freak.
car and a cat ran out the engine bay.
They're
It was
both
wild.
boys. Not
I'd
your
fucking
muffin,
steal
just
the
chill
cat.
out.
I'd fucking steal it, honestly. Fuck my friend.
I would if I could have him.
Is he like feral?
No, I just can't have cats at my house. Oh,
Why?
because I live with my sister and her husband, and he has a dog that does not fuck with cats.
5-figure
One
dog.
fugitive remains.
Oh shit,
Terminate with extreme prejudice.
my dog is still with them.
The enemy's on their
but
back foot.
his dog-
Don't let up.
What kind of dog?
Chow Chow.
Those dogs are
His-
aggressive.
For real.
He's the most unaggressive. He's like just
chill.
really sexy.
I've been